Friends, colleagues, fellow travelers on this journey of life, we gather here today united by a shared human experience, the aspiration to be more, to achieve more, to live a life that truly reflects the incredible potential we each hold within. Look around you. Look at the person beside you. Look within yourselves. Do you truly believe you are living at the peak of your abilities? Are you fully expressing the talents, the passions, the dreams that stir in your heart? Or is there a sense, perhaps a quiet whisper, that there is more to you waiting to be unleashed? I am here to tell you with absolute conviction that there is more. There is an extraordinary power residing within each and every one of you. Think of it as a seed planted deep inside, containing the blueprint for a magnificent tree. That seed is your potential. It's the sum total of your talents, your strengths, your passions, your unique way of seeing the world. It's the promise of who you are capable of becoming. But here's the crucial question. How do we unlock this potential? How do we nurture that seed and watch it grow into the magnificent tree it is meant to be? Firstly, we must believe in the power within you. This might sound simple, even cliché, but it is the bedrock of everything. So many of us are held back not by a lack of ability, but by a lack of belief in ourselves. We listen to that critical inner voice that whispers doubts, that highlights our flaws, that tells us we are not good enough, not smart enough, not capable enough. I urge you today to challenge that voice. Replace those negative whispers with affirmations of your worth, your strength, your potential. Look back at your life and remember the times you overcame challenges, the times you surprised yourself, the times you succeeded against the odds. These are not accidents. They are glimpses of the power you already possess. Secondly, identify your passions and strengths. What truly excites you? What makes you lose track of time? What are you naturally good at? Your potential often lies at the intersection of your passions and your strengths. Explore different avenues. Try new things. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Sometimes, the greatest discoveries about ourselves are made when we venture into the unknown. Reflect on your experiences. Ask yourself, what energizes me? What am I curious about? What problems do I want to solve? The answers to these questions will point you towards the areas where your potential is waiting to flourish. Thirdly, overcome the obstacles that block your path. The journey to unlocking your potential is rarely smooth. There will be setbacks, disappointments, moments of doubt. Fear is a major obstacle. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of the unknown. But fear is often an illusion, a phantom that disappears when we dare to confront it. Another obstacle is negative self-talk, those limiting beliefs we carry about ourselves. Challenge these beliefs, replace them with positive affirmations and a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication and hard work. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and encourage your growth. Finally, take action and persevere. Potential is not unlocked by wishing or dreaming alone. It requires action. Start small, take the first step, and then the next. Don't wait for the perfect moment or perfect conditions, because they may never come. Embrace the process of learning and growing. Expect setbacks, but don't let them define you. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your course, and keep moving forward with determination and resilience. Perseverance is key. The most successful people are not necessarily the most talented. They are the ones who refuse to give up on their dreams. My friends, the power to unlock your potential is not some magical gift bestowed upon a select few. It is a fundamental human capacity that resides within each and every one of you. It is waiting to be discovered, nurtured, and unleashed. Believe in yourselves, identify your passions, overcome your obstacles, take action, and never give up. The world needs your unique talents, your unique perspectives, your unique contributions. Unlock your potential and let your inner power shine brightly for the benefit of yourselves and for the world around you. Thank you.